Welcome to our Clean Finance channel, where data meets actionable strategies. Today's topic is how you can make money fast through affiliate marketing, breaking down every step with clear visuals and commission charts. If you're ready to transform clicks into income, stick around as we reveal the very blueprint successful marketers use daily. Affiliate marketing is like building a revenue machine fueled by trust and strategic recommendations. By connecting people with products they already need, you become the essential link and earn a commission for every sale. But how do you get started quickly and avoid common pitfalls beginners face in this space? First, you need to choose a niche, preferably one matching your interests and expertise. Evaluating market trends using reliable data sources can be the difference between a stagnant page and a thriving affiliate business. Once the foundation is laid, finding high-converting offers becomes much more straightforward and data-driven. With your niche and offers selected, it's time to set up your own digital platform. A professional marketer leverages websites and social media, weaving affiliate links seamlessly into helpful content. High-quality visual assets and data-backed recommendations boost conversion rates and build audience trust, laying the groundwork for recurring income. Driving targeted traffic is essential for results. Proven tactics include writing search-optimized articles, crafting engaging videos, and utilizing data-driven ads for maximum reach. Tracking every campaign with integrated analytics allows you to pivot fast, doubling down on what works and pruning what doesn't, keeping your affiliate earnings on a steady incline. Successful affiliate marketers master the art of building trust and providing transparency. Using comparison charts, product demos, and authentic testimonials helps your audience make informed decisions. Over time, this credibility compounds, turning first-time visitors into loyal followers and creating a snowball effect for your commissions. Now let's look at a real-world example, our marketer's first big payday. By tracking performance daily and optimizing strategies, their income rapidly scaled within weeks. Detailed payout statements and colorful commission charts provided instant feedback, fueling motivation and proving that the affiliate method truly works when executed with precision. Scaling up involves reinvesting earnings into smarter tools, automation, and broader campaigns. Our marketers steadily upgraded workflows, utilizing AI-driven analytics and outsourcing routine tasks to accelerate growth. Over time, the affiliate income stream became more reliable, turning what started as a side hustle into a formidable passive revenue source. Affiliate marketing offers rapid entry, scalable profits, and flexibility if you follow a data-driven path. Our walkthrough covered every major step, from picking a niche through scaling with automation. Consistency and adaptability remain your biggest assets, ensuring you pivot when needed and ride the next wave of opportunity in the digital marketplace. Ready to start making money with affiliate marketing fast? Revisit these steps, subscribe for ongoing guides, and use our tools to map your journey. With clean finance visuals and actionable data at your fingertips, turning affiliate marketing into a fast, profitable income stream is absolutely within reach. So take action and see real results. Until next time, optimize